Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Mariah. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. So you guys seen the title. I am going to be sharing how me and my wonderful boyfriend of 4 years, Steve, met. And while we talk about that, I'm going to be packing because I'm going on vacation starting tomorrow. So it's an exciting video. Today's also my boyfriend's birthday, so babe, happy birthday. I love you and I cannot wait to spend this week with you. So, that being said, you guys see all my stuff, and let's just talk and pack. Hope you guys are all doing well. So, how me and Steve met is actually a pretty awesome story, and I love telling it because a lot of people are surprised. So, how we met is one day I was going to a Steve vocal show with my older sister. I love Steve, you know, all that good stuff. I love Steve. So we were going to a Steve vocal show, and we went. We had an awesome time. And when I got home, I went on a dating app. I'm not gonna tell you guys what app or anything like that, but I went on a dating app just to see what was up, and I got a really amazing question from my boyfriend Steve now, which is funny because I went to a Steve vocal show and now I'm dating a Steve. But okay, so he asked me a really good question, and obviously I still remember it because it was the most amazing question I could ever think of. So he asked me if I could go back in the past and sit with one person, or go in the future and sit with one person, who would I sit with? So at the time, my mother was still here, and I lost my father when I was a baby, as you guys all know. So I told him if I could go back and sit with one person in the past, it would be my father. And I would just laugh and talk with him and get to hug him because I really miss him. And it's been about 26 years, 27 years since my father's been gone. So that was like amazing. Like, I can't believe he even asked me that question. And then after that, we exchanged phone numbers. And guys, when I tell you guys, we talked till like 4 in the morning. He had work. I wasn't working at the time, but he had work, and he stayed up and talked to me the entire time. And even though he had work the next day, and even though he had to do what he had to do, like, he stayed on the phone with me. Okay, so yes, we met online. Isn't it crazy? 4 years together, almost 5, and we met online. I mean, true love does exist, guys. Anyways, so we talked for a while, like a good 2.5 months before we actually met. I was really, really, really nervous when we went on our first date. I was probably like the shyest person alive, like literally the shyest person alive. But we went on our date. We went to Dave & Buster's. It was a really fun time. Like, I had a blast. He beat me in air hockey about 3 times. 3 or 4 times we played air hockey. But he beat me all. I don't even think I was trying, honestly. I honestly think that I was just trying to have fun. But he beat me, and then we went to the prize section, and we got a whole bunch of prizes, and it was so much fun. So then after we left Dave & Buster's, he took me to this little spot by the water, and we got out of the car and we sat by the water, and we're a little bit different. He thinks into the future, and I'm just right here in the present, and I just live in the moment. So there was a boat out in the water and he was saying that our brains are a little bit different, like wherever that boat is, and that boat was like way out into the ocean. That's how he thought, and I'm just right here. And it was just a really good conversation. He told me about his family. I told him about mine. We really had like a really, really nice connection, and it was something that I'll never, ever, ever forget. So we went, it was freezing. So we met in like January. It was freezing. I didn't have a jacket because I was trying to be cute. You know, when you go on your first date, you try to be cute. So I had just like a little sweater over me. No jacket, nothing big like that. And then we went back into his car and he warmed it up and we were still talking. We were listening to music. It was really, really nice. So if you guys are asking if we kissed on the first date, yes, we did. And I'll never forget that either. We were just talking and he bent over and he's like, I really hope you don't mind. And he kissed me for the first time. And honestly, when I say sparks flew, they flew. So, he kissed me. I let him, obviously. And then after that kiss, it was just like, wow. And I went back for another one because I thought it was just awesome and special and I wanted another kiss from him. So after that, he took me home. He walked me to my door. He was such a gentleman. He still is 4 years later. And he walked me to my door and then we just started talking more and more each day. We texted nonstop. We talked on the phone. We FaceTimed. We went on a whole bunch of dates afterwards. But it was just a really nice connection that we had. And I don't know who asked who to be boyfriend, girlfriend. All I know is that all of a sudden I'm pretty sure he asked me first and we asked each other over text. So like I told him that I felt like I could fall in love with him. I had a guard on my heart, but he took it down. But I told him I could fall in love with him and that I thought this was really special and really real. And then he said he felt the same exact way. And he asked me to be his girlfriend. He was like, okay, let's do this. Will you be my girlfriend? And obviously you guys know my answer. And then I was like, my turn, will you be my boyfriend? And obviously you guys know that answer. We both said yes. So it was just, and it still is. We've been together we'll be together 5 years in February. And when I tell you true love exists, guys, true love really, truly exists. Because I thought in my years of living that I would never find the love of my life. And yet here I am telling you guys my story about how I met my boyfriend. And we're together to this day. And it feels really, really, really freaking amazing that I could say that we are together and that we're happy. That we're happy, that we're doing like everything we want to do together. It just feels really nice. So that is the story of how me and Steve met. As you guys can see, my packing is pretty much done. All my stuff is really folded, so I just had to throw it in a suitcase. Guys, true love really exists. You just can't look for it. It just happens. I mean, me and Steve met over online, and I mean, we have our ups and downs like every couple, but we're still together, and I'm still the happiest I've been since we've been together. So I just want to let you guys know that true love really exists, and I'm excited to find the man of my dreams, and I hope that you guys chase after everything that you love, because it really does exist. But I love you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I am happy to say that we are at 100 subscribers. So thank you guys all so much for believing in me. Because of you guys, we are at 100 subscribers, and I want to get to many, many, many more. So I am super happy that I get to share this excitement with you guys. And just remember that true love exists, and that I love you guys, and that we're at 100 subscribers. So yay us. I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure to share this video, and I will see you guys after my vacation with my boyfriend. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys really soon.